Voices are important. The sound of our voice is immediately interpreted by people as to whether or not they like the sound of that voice or not. Why do I mention this? A moment ago, I tuned into a TEDx talk and I thought this will be really worth listening to. It was a subject matter which appealed to me, and I thought I'll give this my attention. I might even take some notes. But when I heard this woman's voice, so strident, so harsh, almost a scream. Frankly, I fast forwarded a little bit to see if it would change somewhat. It was the same there. And in the end, after just a very few minutes, not even a few minutes, a few seconds, I switched it off. And then I felt almost duty bound to make this short video, to tell listeners what they probably already know anyway, the importance of having a voice that is reasonably easy to listen to. No one's expecting perfection, but they are expecting a voice which is acceptable to them. Now, you have the voice which nature gave you, but you can work on it to make it better if you think it needs it. Most people don't even consider this, but the point is it's very important, especially if you are a speaker, a public speaker, or a storyteller, or anyone who makes their living by presenting oral presentations. What can we do about it? There are exercises, there are ways in which we can change our voice to make it sound a little bit more enticing, a little bit more favourable, a little bit more accepting of the listener. If you think you need it because your voice to you doesn't sound good enough, well, that's pretty common when you first hear your voice for the first time. But if after some time, if after some months of being able to listen to yourself many, many times, and you still don't like the sound of your voice, then do something about it, because people will not listen. Won't listen for long if you have a voice which annoys them. I hope you got something from this short video on voice. I felt almost obliged to place it because it is, if you're a speaker, very important.